stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away. Show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and I'm so excited for you guys to be joining me today. Today is the start of something new for me. I am going to be, some of you guys don't know, but I suffer from severe depression and anxiety, and I find that my space reflects my mind. You guys will hear me say all the time, a messy house, a messy mind. So I'm going to be starting a minimalist journey. I actually started this a while ago just because clutters my mind. If I'm surrounded by clutter, I don't feel like doing it. I get overwhelmed. Bright colors irritate me. So I'm going to start kind of transforming my life, well, my home, into more of a minimalist living. I do have some combativeness since I'm not, how do I say, since not everyone in my household wants to join me on this journey because everyone likes stuff, and I completely understand that. But me personally, I want to start getting rid of things. I want to start organizing things. I want my rooms to look nice. So for me today, I'm going to be starting on my wardrobe. There are clothes in there that I have not worn in years, that I feel I've outgrown, and it's just time to part with. I have a lot of hair dyeing shirts, a lot of shirts with holes in them. So I'm just going to be focusing on my closet today. Hopefully this motivates you guys to get up and declutter or transform your space as well. And let me know if this is something you guys are interested in me sharing with you, my journey to minimalism. And yeah, just let me know down in the comments below. But anyways, let's get started on this closet.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? Really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Oh, I just wonder. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, I wonder. Makes me wonder. Ooh, it makes me wonder. I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your.
So my closet is almost cleaned out. All of the clothes are on the bed and ready to go through. I am just going to take everything off of this top shelf and also put it on the bed to go through. I want this closet completely cleared out so I can go through everything. This stuff just has like underclothes in it and just stuff I don't really use anymore. There's a little umbrella there. And just a bag for like phone equipment and things that have just fallen on the floor.
I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I am running for you.
Here is my empty closet. I kind of wish I could just leave it like this. I got everything off of the top, if it'll focus. So it is all cleared out. I have my push-in collection up on the top. I have tons of push-in. I don't think I'm gonna be decluttering those anytime soon. But yeah, my closet is purple. The ground is actually pretty clean for how much everything was just in here. When we moved in, the closet was actually purple to begin with. But yeah, let's get going through these clothes and see what else we can get done. Here's the massive pile of clothes I have removed from my closet. I am not gonna be keeping a lot of this, as I say now, but there's tons of bags, purses, some sentimental things, magazines, belts, bags. I think I said bags. But yeah, I'm gonna start going through this and see what I actually want to keep and what actually fits.
Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better.
Pile of everything I'm going to keep. All of the hangers from the clothes that I am getting rid of. And then I have a stack of white shirts that I'm not sure what to do with. I might put them back in my closet, I might not. And then here is the pile of clothes I'm getting rid of. There is a ton in there. So the way I like to do my closet, I like my clothes to be color coded. So I usually do like blacks and then blues and purples. And I just always like to group my clothes together. So I'm gonna get the clothes that I'm keeping put away before I go through the rest of the stuff on the bed.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no war. sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away. Standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star.
So here are all the clothes that I'm keeping, and they're put away. I did all the blacks and then the grays, blues, purples, pinks, reds, and then creams. And then I did end up keeping those white shirts just in case I get a job in the future that requires me to wear white shirts again. But I did keep some of my favorite shirts, and I did get rid of a ton, so I'm very proud of myself. So right now I'm just gonna go through what is left on my bed, put all the hangers away, and get the purses put back up on the top, and just kind of go through and see if there's anything I want to get rid of, anything I want to keep. I probably am going to get rid of some of the beach bags that I have. I do quite cherish the bags I have because they were given to me by my grandmother, and some I bought as starter purses. I never thought I'd say that. I hated using purses when I was a teenager. I preferred little tiny backpacks and like over-the-shoulder bags. But yeah, I'm very happy with my wardrobe, and I'm just going to finish going through what is on the bed because I have to go somewhere soon and I gotta get this done.
Love. What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you.
You and me stuck on the ocean now. Nothing but waves and this filling in. I wanna dry up but you just keep on going, don't you? I don't even know how we got here. All my reasoning have disappeared. I wanna bury the hatchet and find the way back to our home. Our home, our home. We don't have to drift inside this dome. I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not care. Chasing all that we don't have. Chasing all that we do not care. We do not all the way back home. Chasing all that.
Longer than I actually thought it would, but I am so happy with the results. I'm so happy to be getting rid of tons of clothes that have just been kind of reminding me that I've gained weight this year. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but it's been a life journey to try to lose weight. Well, ever since I was a teenager, but that's a whole other story. But yeah, I got rid of tons of clothes. Here's the pile. They will be going to donation, and whatever is not donatable will be thrown out. Excuse the mess in the rest of the room. Jerry's kind of taken over the room for his schooling and looking for a job. This entire bag is recycling. A few things I need to bring downstairs. This is Shiloh's book, a washcloth, and then this stuff is garbage and random glove. And then this is some jewelry and a mirror that I need to find a place for. Here's my closet. Everything is nicely color coded and it just looks so much better. There is so much more room in here. though with the sheer amount of hangers that I have, it kind of takes up this whole space. So I just put my bras here, but down here is all clear. This I haven't touched just because, like I said, it's just underclothes. And you can't really fold those neatly most of the time. I put my purses up here. This is just boxes of sentimentals, like Shiloh's baby teeth, some baby stuff. And then the rest of it is just pretty much empty. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me in another clean with me. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, this video and this journey is something I have been meaning to do for a while given my anxiety and depression. So if you suffer from anxiety and depression as well, get up and clean with me and we will conquer it together. But this journey of me becoming a minimalist and just decluttering my house to kind of just clean your way to happiness, clean your way to calm. I find cleaning to be very therapeutic, especially for me. It is a very good way for me to ground myself. So when I am feeling anxious, I will just get up and clean. And it just allows me to focus my thoughts. With that being said, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below. Like I said, this is going to be a multi-video journey and it's going to take me a long time to get to where I want to be in my house and in my life. So if you guys want to join that journey with me, please make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss any more of my future content. But I look forward to seeing you guys all in my next video. Bye!
We're just looking at each other. Tears in our eyes from the words we said. Yeah, it kinda broke my heart.